Okay, so I have clicked on this uTorrent, yes, Spotify, and whatever the application I have. If I want to open an application, I will simply just click on the application or the icon, then automatically it will open. That's it. We only know this stuff. But as a developer or as a engineer, what is going on behind when I click on this application? How it is opening? So this defines with the process states. Okay, how an application opens, how when I press on this shutdown, how the shutdown is working, it is depend on some states. ये सो जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे क्लिक किया शटडाउन, मैंने क्लिक किया तो शटडाउन हो जा रहा है, मैंने किसी आइकन पे क्लिक किया तो वो एप्लीकेशन खुल जा रहा है, वो कैसे हो रहा है? सो ये सारे के सारे चीजें एक प्रोसेस स्टेट्स के ऊपर डिपेंड करते हैं। तो आज हम लोग we will look onto these states, how an application works, how whenever we click on the close button it closes, how it is working. So it is nothing but everything is done with the programming code or a programming language. So we will see with that. So and this will be like very important topic, and it will be in second semester you will get a subject like operating system. So you will have a important topic on process state, so you have to remember this. So like they have written, process in the operating system can be any of the following state. So can be any of the state means you have to remember the different states. So one by one we will discuss. So new means the process is being created. Okay, so new means process is being created. So remember, just for simplicity I'll just explain this part first. Okay, what is new means, for example, मैंने computer open किया, I have start my computer, and when I start my computer at first I won't be having any application opened. Okay, जब मैं किसी कंप्यूटर को ऑन करता तो मेरे पास कोई भी एप्लीकेशन ओपन नहीं होता है. So now when I start my computer, suppose for example firstly I want to go to some browser to search something, so means this is the state under new. Okay, this process will be in the new. I am just started a process, I am just about to start a process, so this is new. The process is being created. Now I've clicked on this Safari browser. So whenever at first I will just start, I want to just start a process and I will click on this process. So this will be in the process state of new because newly I am created. Okay, then ready. So after click on this application, it will go to the next state, that is ready state, means the process is waiting to be assigned to a processor. So इसमें क्या होता है इस स्टेट में, after I click on this Safari browser, because I want to open Safari browser, so I've clicked on this Safari browser. So after I clicked on this Safari browser, the next process go to the ready state, and in ready state it will check whether this Safari browser can be opened or not, means whether the computer has enough RAM or enough speed in it to open the browser. ठीक है, remember that. अगर तुम्हारे पास suppose तुम्हारे पास तुम्हारा computer is pretty low in memory or in hard disk, okay, so तुम देखते हो तुम्हारा computer hang होता है. Okay, so it will just whenever you will click on the application, देखना बहुत लेट से खुल रहा है, it will taking some time to open the application. Okay, so this is because in this state the process is waiting, means it is waiting and to be assigned to a processor, means in ready state in the background the process state will look whether your computer has enough power to open the application. So this is the tip. Okay, so I'm again repeating, I want to start a process, so I will click on the process, and this process is known as new state. After I click on this process that I want to open, it will go to the next state, and this is ready state. Ready state it was, the computer will check whether the system has enough power to open the process. Next state will be running state, means instructions are being executed. Running state means, so after it will check, yes, after the computer, the system will respond. When I click on this Safari, the system will respond to the main processor that he can run the browser or he can run the process. So it will go to the next, that is running. So means it will slowly open the process or the open the software. Okay, so this will be the in the third state. Okay, so first state means I have created a process, means I have clicked on the process. This is why they have done in computer language, it is known as the process is being created. Next stage, it will check the process is waiting, the process will, in this state the process will wait to assign to a processor. Means देखो जब भी कोई प्रोसेस हम लोग को ओपन क्लिक करते हैं ओपन करने के लिए, ये फर्स्ट प्रोसेसर को असाइन होता है. सो प्रोसेसर को असाइन होगा, प्रोसेसर में अगर एनफ पावर है तो ही तुम्हारा ये एप्लीकेशन ओपन होगा. सो इन रेडी स्टेट द प्रोसेस इज बीइंग असाइन्ड टू ए प्रोसेसर. Okay, so after assigning to a processor, the next will be running state. So the processor will tell the system that my computer has enough power to run this process, you can run. So in this running state, the instruction means this program will be executed, means this program will or this process will be opened. Okay, so before going to the next two state, I have to ask you whether you have understood till now. Okay, so next I will be showing you this diagram, but before going to this state, whether you have understood or not. Arnav, you have understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll ask you later. Let me just ask Vishwa. Vishwa,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Vishwa समझ में आया तुमको?
हाँ, sir.
Can you explain?
Yes, sir. Little bit.
Oh yes, yes. Don't worry. If you can't, I will just help you. Don't worry. Just start.
Yes, sir. As we click any program, the
Okay,
process is
अगर तुमको अगर हिंदी में भी एक्सप्लेन करना है तुम कर सकते हो. आई जस्ट वांट टू चेक कि तुमको समझ में आया कि नहीं, बस वही और कुछ नहीं. ओके, तुमको जिस लैंग्वेज में कंफर्टेबल है तुम बोल सकते हो.
okay, sir.
Okay.
As we click a program or an application, the first step is new, which means the process is being created.
Yes.
And the next procedure is the ready state, which means the process is waiting to be assigned to the processor. Means it is it means it is asking the processor to open the program.
Yes. Okay. Little bit you have understood. Next running state.
Yes, and next is the running state, which means the program is executed.
Yes, the processor is telling the system that you can run the application. Okay.
Yes.
So whom should I ask next? Saranga. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
बताओ.
When we open a program, and then first there is a new state in which the program is created, which means that the
what does this means? What does the process is being created means? What means? I want to open a process, right? This means I want to open a process and I have clicked on this process. Okay.
Sir.
Okay, so next.
Next is the ready state, in which the computer will check whether the processor is able to
run the
memory.
Yes.
The program
or not. Yes. Then running.
Is running state.
Okay.
In which processor will tell that it is able to run the program to the computer.
Okay, good. Nazim, Meva, can you explain a bit? I don't think so. फिर भी मैं I'm asking. I don't think. I think you have very bad network, Meva. Meva, can you hear me? Okay. Noor, I just want to hear. Did you understand or not? That's it. I won't ask you. Don't worry. Noor and Azim. नो, किसी का भी नहीं है. नाजिम. ओके. ये लोग सुन पा रहे या तो लगा के. दो चीज होता है, एक तो नेटवर्क खराब है, अदरवाइज लगा के सो गए. Okay, so I'll just ask Arnav, did you understand, right? कोई नहीं सुन रहा है क्या? मेरा आवाज नहीं आ रहा है क्या? कोई बोलो तो एक बार.
आ रहा है सर.
अच्छा, ये लोग ऐसे ही सो गए. चलो. ओके, विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट. ओके, रिमेंबर दैट एक चीज तुम लोगों को मैं सिखाता हूँ. दैट आई वांट टू जस्ट, आई डोंट थिंक सो, मतलब तुम लोगों को याद है कि नहीं. सो लेट्स जस्ट वेट. मेवा, इफ यू कैन हियर मी, जस्ट टाइप इन द chat box so that I can understand. Or Nazim, Noor, if you can hear me, you can just type in the chat box. Okay, so processor means what? What is a processor? So okay, whenever you buy a computer, you have to go for, like, I want to buy a processor of i3, i5, i7. What are those? Why we need to buy these high-end processor? This is because of these applications to run smoothly. Okay, if you have a very low processor, when this new state will be occurring and we will be moved to the ready state. Sir, can't hear you. Arnav, you have a very bad network, I hope. That's why. Okay, so in the second, when I will be creating the process, means I will click on this process. If you have, remember that if you have bad processor, so I will be click on that process. We can click on that process. The next step will be, the process will be assigned to a processor. As my processor is very slow, so my application will be taking much more time to open. Okay, for example, let me give you a very like easy example. देखो, मेरा computer, मेरा MacBook, it's a very old MacBook. Okay, so whenever I will click on a process like this launchpad, I have clicked, means I will show you an example, like live example. Okay, so I want to open this launchpad. So first step I will be like, I have to create the process. No, for creating the process I have to click on it. So I have clicked on it. It is, why it's so fast. Okay, so let me just click on these notes. Okay, so I have clicked on the notes. Now you can see that it is jumping. Means what? It is in the second state. The process is waiting. As my processor is not that fast, it has take some times, some seconds, you can say. अगर मेरे पास अगर अच्छा पूरा हाई एंड वाला मैकबुक होता, तो as soon as I will be clicking on that note, it will open. As I don't have a very high end processor, it takes a little bit of time, because the process that I want to open, it is waiting in the processor, and the processor is taking some time to open this process. That is why when you buy a computer, or in future if you want to buy a MacBook, you should buy a latest one with a high-end processor, high-end hard disk, or high-end graphics. And this is a part of this one. Okay, so for now, this is what a processor is. So this is why you need a very fast processor to operate all those processes smoothly and fastly. Okay, so now we'll be moving on to the fourth, that is waiting. This waiting, by word or by sentence you can understand, waiting means to wait for something, right? So what is the meaning of waiting in a process? The process is waiting for some event to occur. Okay, such as an input output. IO means input output completion or reception of a signal. Okay, so if I, what does waiting means? Okay, so if I want to open an process, so I have clicked on this process, and after that, if your computer is pretty slow, okay, you have another 4 or 5 application already opened in your computer. So when I will be open another another process, it will take some time, means it will go to the waiting state, so that other processes जो मैं run कर रहा हूँ वो close हो जाए या तो उनका काम खत्म हो जाए, then it will open this one. Okay, so waiting means to wait for the other processes to finish. As soon as the other process finish, it will open the current process that I want to process. I want to open. Okay, and terminated means, so whenever after this, when the process that I wanted to open, it is already it is finally opened, this means the process is terminated. Okay, so waiting means, for example, let me give you a practical example. These nodes and this remainder, these are the two process I want to open. So I have clicked on nodes, then I have clicked on reminders. So the nodes will be created first, or the node will be open first, then it will opening reminders. Okay, so this means node will be open first and reminder will be in the opening state. Reminder will be in the waiting state. Okay, so this what a waiting means. When I want to open a multiple number of process at time, whichever I have clicked first, it will open first, then followed by 1 2 3 series wise. This is what waiting means. एक साथ कभी भी दो एप्लीकेशन ओपन नहीं होते. इट इज एट द सेम टाइम you won't find two application is opening at the same time, because one will be in the waiting state and one will be into the running state. एक रन करेगा और एक वेट रहेगा. Terminated means once I have opened, this will be in the terminated state. So before asking you, I'll again show you the diagram so that you can understand better. So I have clicked on the new, means I want to start a new application. So this will be new. Admitted means I have clicked on this. Then it is ready means it is ready to run. The processor is telling that it is ready to run. You can run the process. Okay. So if you ready to run means it will running. Okay. Otherwise, if it is running slow, it will be in the waiting state. Okay, so this is why new, ready, running, waiting, and ultimately it will be in the terminated. So you just need to remember this diagram. So that if I ask you from starting, can you please explain whom should I ask? Did you understand this waiting and terminated? Vishwa, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And who is there? Who? Seranga?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया या थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन है? Okay, Meba, can you? Meba, are you able to hear me? Okay, Nazim is sir, I'm facing network problems. Okay. Arnav, can you hear me right now? I don't think so. Okay, Noor. So if you are facing network problem, then it will not be helpful. कब जो ये university खुलेगा, it is very painful to teach you like this. Okay, so Vishwa, can you explain the last two part, or you can explain from the starting also if you want. Waiting and terminated, you can just explain waiting and terminated.
Yes.
Okay.
So in the waiting state, the application or the program which is opened next to the first program. So, sir, from first I will explain it in 1 second.
Yes. This will be good. Okay.
In the waiting state, the process which is the program which is opened. The program which is opened is waited. So I don't know. Sorry.
ओके तुम एक बार ऐसा में मुझे बोलो तो वेटिंग स्टेट का मतलब क्या होता है ऐसा में बोलो तो मुझे
मतलब
है
এই এপ্লিকেশন বা সেই প্ৰগ্ৰামটো মানে ৰখি আছে যে সেইটো ওপেন হ'বলৈ
ओके मतलब इसका मतलब क्या आता है कि जैसे मैंने दो एप्लीकेशन को चाहता हूँ एक मतलब ओपन होना है ठीक है जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आई हैव शोन यू कि क्या दिखाया मैंने नोट्स और रिमाइंडर ये जो मेरा दो एप्लीकेशन है दो प्रोसेस है तो क्या होता है जैसे मैंने इस पे क्लिक किया फिर रिमाइंडर पे क्लिक किया तो कौन सा वाला पहले ओपन होगा
नोट्स
हाँ तो रिमाइंडर वाला कौन से स्टेट में होगा अभी वेटिंग और नोट्स वाला कौन से स्टेट में होगा रनिंग तो ओपन होने के बाद कौन से स्टेट में चला जाएगा वो
कौन नोट टर्मिनेटेड
यस रनिंग होने के बाद ही टर्मिनेटेड पे जब वो टर्मिनेटेड पे चला जाएगा जो वेटिंग पे रहेगा वेटिंग में कौन सा है रिमाइंडर वाला ठीक है तो रिमाइंडर वाला अभी कौन से स्टेट में चला जाएगा रनिंग में ठीक है रनिंग में जाने के बाद कौन सा स्टेट में जाएगा टर्मिनेटेड ठीक है फिर जब मैं नेक्स्ट एप्लीकेशन आऊंगा वो भी कौन से जाएगा अभी एक एक करके फॉलो होगा ठीक है समझ में आया सो देखो ओके अभी समझ में आया ना कि वेटिंग जो तुमने एसएमएस में बोला वही चीज है कि वेटिंग का मतलब ही होता है कि जैसे simultaneously when I want to open two applications and which one will be I click first it will be in the running state and the later one will be in the waiting state and remainder will be in the waiting state after it is opened this means this node process is opened and it goes to the terminate state then only this remainder will be in the running state and it will be then in the terminated state and after this if I want to open maps so it will be in the running state then will be it is terminated state so remember that waiting it is not a serialized way waiting state running state then terminated state okay remember that waiting state and it will go to the running state then after open it will be in the terminated state so Vishwa I think you have understood सेरंगा एक्सप्लेन करना है तुमको कर सकते हो
यस सर
ओके करो
सर
न्यू से करो तुमको क्लियर हो जाएगा डाउट
when a program starting then firstly it goes to the stage in which the process is created that means the user is opening a program
yes
then it goes to the ready state
means
in which the computer will check whether the processor is able to run the program or not
yes very good next
then it will go to the running state the processor will inform the computer that is able to run the program and process will be
running okay actually this is the main three state okay so now it is this three step is for like when I want to open a single process at a time this waiting will become when I want to open the multiple number of process so यहाँ पे क्या होगा सरंगा can we explain
sir when we do program then the first program will be in the running phase
and second program will be in the
go into
waiting state it is just let me give you another example like suppose you want to go to some shop okay and this you want to go to an ATM machine okay and this ATM machine is like one person at a time okay so you are two person so first one and you are behind that first person so what will be like so first one will be going to the ATM machine he will withdraw the money and he will come so withdrawing means The first one will be going to the ATM machine. It will enter the ATM machine. When it will enter the ATM machine, this will be your running state. Okay, for the first person, and while in the running state, you are in the waiting state. Okay, so next, when the withdrawal has been done by this first person, it will be in the terminated state. Means now you can enter. So thus this waiting person will be in the next. It will be in the running state. Then after running state, it will be in the terminated state. Totally clear?
Yes, sir.
ओके चलो क्लियर हो गया तो इसका मतलब मैं समझा पाऊँ. अर्णव, कैन यू हियर मी? No, he still can't hear me. Meva? Okay, let's just see if she can reply. Okay, so next thing. No, this will be hard for you. Okay, so okay. This will be okay. Oh, okay. So lastly, I'll just ask you whether you have totally understood this one or not. Totally. Just frankly tell me whether you have understood totally. Did you understand totally?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So keep in mind, you just need to remember this thing, and in the figure you have to remember how this figure is working. So I'll be adding a simple figure. This is a tough figure, so I'll be adding a simple figure in your Google Classroom notes. Don't worry. So you have to remember these states, and rest you can explain in your own language. So new, ready, running, waiting, terminated. So you have to remember these 5 state. And one more thing that I wanted to tell you, whether I can find it or not. Otherwise, this class is okay. 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 These are the few definition, 2 or 1 marks definition. I want to remember this. This will won't be like require in your semester, but you will be getting in the upcoming semester. Okay. So for this, just remember this stack and heap. Okay. I'll explain this. Okay. So I'll just read out this sentence. When a program is loaded into the memory, means what? When a program means when your process is loaded into the memory, means when your process is loaded into the processor. And why we load the our process in the processor or program in the processor? To check whether this process can open or not. Okay. It can be divided into 4 sections. So after getting the process, the processor will divide this process into 4 steps: stack, heap, text, and data. So for now, I'll just in the processor, how this process check in the processor, how this processor check that you can open your program or process. How check? So it is checked on this basis of 4 sections: stack, heap, text, and data. Just remember these names. For now, I'll only explain these 2. Stack means what? The process stacks contain the temporary data such as method, parameter, return address, and local variables. Means, just for a simplicity, I'll just explain. The process stack means it will contain the temporary data. So stack means when I open a process, so when in the new state and in the ready state, the processor all those process will be the process that I want to open will be in the processor state. तो processor state में क्या होता है, जाके जब process जाता है तब वहाँ पे stack का एक ऑप्शन आता है. Stack का मतलब वहाँ पे the processor will check whether this process has enough memory or temporary data, how much temporary data is still holding. Means एकदम अच्छे से मैं अगर बताऊं, जितना बड़ा एप्लीकेशन होगा उतना एप्लीकेशन खोलने में टाइम लगता है. Okay, the more this process or the application will like have more RAM or more size, it will take much more time. So it is in the stack. The processor will check whether this application has a greater size or less size or large size or small size. It will check. If it is in a small size or if your application is coming in the like 20 MB, 10 MB, 5 MB size, it will open very quickly. So this means this stack. In this section, the processor will check whether the process has much more RAM or ROM. Okay, so if it has a bigger ROM, it will open lately. If it is a lesser ROM, it will open quickly. And heap means this is dynamically allocated memory to a process during its runtime. So whenever I open some application, for example, I have opened Safari and I have opened Cisco web meeting, there is some portion of RAM is stored on the processor itself. याद रखना, जब भी मैं कोई एप्लीकेशन रन करता हूँ तो उसका कुछ रैम या तो उसका कुछ साइज पोर्शन कहाँ पे स्टोर होकर रहता है, प्रोसेसर पे. याद रखना. तो तुम अगर कोई एप्लीकेशन डिलीट भी कर देते हो तो उसका डाटा फिर भी प्रोसेसर पे रहता है. ठीक है. सो दीज आर द टू थिंग्स दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. Stack means the processor will check whether the application has more RAM, less RAM, or the more size or the less size. Okay. And heap means when I open some application, part of its memory or RAM will be stored into the processor when I will be running. Okay. These are the two things that you have to remember, and the text and data you will be explained later. Okay, so this stack and heap are in the under of the processor. Okay, means it is under of processor state. जब कोई प्रोसेस जाता है, जब मैंने बताया था ना, जब कोई रेडी स्टेट में हम लोग जाते हैं, जब प्रोसेसर चेक करता है whether the process is able to run on, this is the process is waiting to assign to a processor. जब प्रोसेसर को असाइन करना होता है तो प्रोसेसर क्या चेक करता है, स्टैक चेक करता है, हीप चेक करता है प्रोसेस का. तो सारे चेक करने के बाद ओपन करता है. ठीक है. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज स्टैक एंड व्हाट इज हीप?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. So you have to just remember, for this class you have to remember what is a process and what is a process. When a program is running, this is known as a process. Then you have to remember the next question will be like, what are the different process state, and explain. It will be of 8 marks. So you have to explain all those things, 1 line or 2 line along with the diagram. Okay. Then there may come some 2 marks question. What is a stack and what is a heap? So all this will be like, I will prepare a notes and will be along with the previous classes notes will be uploaded in the Google Classroom. Don't worry. Okay, तुम लोग बस समझ के जाओ और बाकी नोट्स मैं देता जाऊंगा, टेंशन मत लो. ओके. अच्छे से समझा पाया मैं?
Yes, sir.
ओके. देखो ये सब बहुत टफ टॉपिक है. सो मैं ट्राई किया जितना सिंपल होके तुमको समझा सकूं. सो लेटर जब तुम लोग नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर में जाओगे, दिस विल बी बिकम वेरी वीक. दिस टॉपिक विल बी बिकम वेरी वीक. सो फॉर नाउ जस्ट रिमेंबर द बेसिक थिंग, हाउ टू स्टार्ट ए प्रोसेस. Okay, so this is how you start a process. And what are the main part the processor check? So processor will be checked in the 4 section. This is stack, heap, text, data. Text and data is that not important. Stack, heap, you just remember. Okay, so that's it. Okay, I'll be giving, wait for a second. Noor is there, Nazim is there, Meba is there, Bishwajit is there, Arnav is there, only Sunya is not there. Okay, I'll be giving you the attendance, and after that you just give the feedback of the class. Okay, thank you for being with me. We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye. कुछ भी डाउट हो मुझे पूछ लेना, टेक्स्ट करके या फोन करके. ठीक है, चलो.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
बाय.